Welcome to Obligr.com. Log in to your account on Obligr. After login, click on API Reference on left-hand menu option. Now, click on SMS API. Now click on Send Message. In drop-down window, you will see the API docs. Now, we will use this body params to send SMS from Postman. Scroll up, check your API key. Here we will use post method. Now open Postman. Check description link to find the Postman download link. Now open a tab in Postman. Change the method to post. Go back again, copy URL. Paste in Postman URL. Click on Authorization. Select Bearer Token in type. Go back again, copy API key. Paste in token. Click on Body. Select form-encoded option. Now copy-paste the params from Obligr platform. Also, enter the param values. Click on Send. Check the status below now, SMS successfully sent. Now click on Code to copy different codes. In this list you can see all codes, as Obligr API is REST API, so you can generate multiple API from it. Now let's see the delivery report via API. Copy-paste campaign ID. Go to Obligr platform again, click on Message Delivery Report Details. Copy the URL and paste in a new Postman tab. Copy the campaign ID and paste in Postman. Follow the same process. Click on Send. Check the delivery report status. Remaining APIs can also be used as the same process. That's it. Now you have learned how to generate bulk SMS API and use REST APIs via Postman on Obligr platform. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.